Hello everyone, this is Nafisa from Nafu's Unique Creations and welcome back to my channel, and I am here once again to teach you how to make beautiful and unique cards.
So today we are going to create this amazing roll-up card. The materials we require to make the roll-up card. We need this piece of paper of any color of your choice. The size is 30 by 30 centimeter. We will also require this piece of paper which is of size 19.5 by 19.5 centimeter. Next we will require this sunboard, or you can also take cardboard or mount board, whatever you have available, and the size is 14.5 by 14.5. So we will also require a piece of sunboard or cardboard of size 14 by 14 centimeter. Then we will also require 4 pieces of sunboard or cardboard which is of size 14.5 by 7 centimeter. We'll require 3 strips of size 28 by 5.5 centimeter. So now let's start making the card. I'm going to show you how to do these markings. So now let's start with the markings. We're going to mark at 7.5 centimeter. Do the same thing on the other 2 sides. So now cut on the line that I mark. So now let's start cutting. So first we have to fold the parts. Since we have to make a box, we have to stick the paper in this manner. We need to stick all the other 3 sides in the same manner. Now our box is ready. So now I'm going to stick the sunboard that we had cut inside on all the places. This is optional, but I would suggest that it is better if you stick it, since the box will become more stiff and sturdy. And you can also use cardboard instead of this sunboard. Now as you can see, the box is ready with the sunboard intact. So now we need to find the center point for the box. For that, we're going to keep the ruler diagonally. And we're going to draw a small line. Same thing from the opposite side. So now this is our center point. We'll take this piece of paper of size 19.5 by 19.5 centimeter, and now we'll do the markings to make the lid. Let's start doing the markings. We have to mark 2 centimeter from the side. Now we have to make the lid in the same manner we made the box. Now I've taken this piece of paper which was of size 29.5 by 8.5 centimeter. We have to roll this piece of paper. And at your desired circle, we'll leave it and stick it. I would like to give you a tip that instead of making this, if you have a toilet paper roll, the cardboard which is in the toilet paper roll, you can use that by cutting it into half. Here I have taken the 3 strips of paper that were of size 28 centimeter by 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to connect them. In the same manner, we have to stick the third piece. You can cut out the whole strip of size 82 centimeter by 5.5 centimeter. Now we are going to take that roll that we made and stick it. We are going to take this box, and we had marked the center over here. So on the center we are going to put the roll that we had put. In the center and mark it. We have to cut out this circle. Now the hole is made. The hole should be such that the tube can fit inside. Now we are going to take the other piece, that was the lid, and in the same manner on the center we have to mark and cut it out. Please ensure that your hole is that big that this roll may fit inside, and even in your box. So when you close it, it can come out from the other side. So the roll that we had made, we have to decorate it, and we have to make a slit over here so that this can come out. So let's make the slit. I have cut out a slit over here. Now I'm going to pass this through the slit. Here I've drawn a line at 1 centimeter. I had cut out a white piece of paper, any size that you want, only the breadth should be 5.5, which I'm going to stick on the line over here. I'll roll this now. we'll stick it over here so that this does not go back inside. I'm going to close the lid. Now cut it as I'm showing. In this manner. Same way on the other side. Here this is an obstruction, so you have to cut out a small part over here so that it does not create this obstruction. So now we'll fold the slits. On the other side also. Now we'll apply glue only on this part, not anywhere else on the blue, only on the white. Here I had cut out a piece which I'm going to stick. You can decorate it according to your choice. So now this is our ready card.